We are cooking with Chef Alana Peckham from Alligga, and you're celebrating sort of like a meatless Monday theme for this one. What are we going to cook today?
So we're going to do, it's a warm curry quinoa salad, but it's good hot or cold.
Yum.
It's great protein from the quinoa, great crunch from the green beans, and a little sweetness from the apples.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Yes. So
I love quinoa. I love quinoa. I love warm quinoa salads, but then I make enough to have it for lunch the next day.
And that's just exactly what you would do with this one. It's a warm quinoa salad that you can leave cold or room temperature for the next day.
What do you think has made quinoa so popular?
Well, it's such an easy grain to use, and it is really a very healthy grain. It's a complete protein. So,
which it's hard to get complete protein. Another one would be an egg, for example, is a complete protein.
That's right. Otherwise, you've got to mix your beans and your vegetables in order to get that complete protein.
You know, one of the reasons why I'm not vegan or vegetarian, though I like having a meatless dinner, if you look at sort of the methane gas that's produced by a single cow, one of our staff had said that you could actually not eat meat for a Monday. It would be the equivalent to not driving your car for like a week.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
And there's so many alternatives. There's so many different options out there that you don't necessarily have to eat meat.
Right.
I mean, this is a very satisfying meal on its own.
Yep.
Add some leafy greens into it and really make it into a cold salad. If it's not Monday and you're not going meatless, it's a great side dish as well.
Sure, absolutely. Good. So you've added quite a bit of flax oil there.
Flax oil, because that's what's going to be our dressing, if you will.
Got it.
And we're going to add a pinch of salt to that as well.
Chef-style pinch of salt.
Remember, it's kosher salt. Looks like it's more.
I thought that was like a pinch. Nice. I call it a chef pinch. Got the, what else in there?
I like to use a madras curry powder.
Okay.
And so we're going to add a spoon of that.
And that smells absolutely amazing as well.
And when it starts toasting, it's going to smell even better.
Perfect.
We are going to add our onions, so we just chop some there. We've got some pre-chopped here.
So about half an onion?
About a half an onion, that's right.
Now you're going to add this as the dressing. You're cooking with it. Why do you like cooking with Alligga flaxseed oil?
Well, one, it can be cooked with.
Yep.
Two, we are going to grate some garlic, and more so, it's those omega-3s. Flax oil is a great source of plant-based omega-3. I mean, back to this meatless Monday. You can get omega-3s from fish, but why not get it from the plant?
You know, and that was always a big concern for a lot of women years ago, being pregnant. You always hear about them needing to have certain fats like fish oils in their diet to help for the development of their baby's brain, yet we worry about the amount of mercury and contaminants and toxins inside of fish.
That's right.
Now, I guess even whether or not you're vegetarian or vegan, you can use this just for that purpose while you're pregnant. Just for the
purpose of the omega-3s, and keep in mind it's sustainable too.
You can go like this while you're pregnant, right? Your stomach stretch marks and your
stretch
hair.
Marks, I was gonna say. Okay, so we'll cut up some green beans as well. And so I usually start with the bottom end. That way, as I work my way up, I can discard the stems.
Got it. So you're not cutting twice.
That's
so we're
right.
talking about the Alligga flaxseed oil being great for helping with inflammation. You have garlic in there as well, which is an anti-inflammatory.
The turmeric that's in the curry powder, yeah.
Correct. A lot of shakes and diets now have turmeric in them as well. So lots of stuff for inflammation.
Fantastic for inflammation.
And for the apple, great fiber. Tasty, for sure, great fiber.
Exactly.
So you're heating this up now. What can I do for you? Anything at all?
So we're just gonna wait until this starts to bubble and sizzle.
Okay.
You'll smell the curry start to toast. We'll allow the onions to soften a little bit. After that happens, what we'll do is we'll add the green beans, a tiny splash of apple juice.
Okay.
Cook that down, add the quinoa and the apples, and we're ready to go.
Good. So Lana, what type of cooking do you do that makes you, like, what are you known for in your cooking?
I think I'm known for simplicity. I like to keep it simple.
Yep.
I mean, flavors have to be strong enough to make the dish carry through.
Right.
But I don't like to add, say, 15 ingredients into a dish.
Sure.
You know, I like to keep it probably at about 5 ingredients.
Okay.
And then healthy as well. You know, without compromising flavor.
Perfect. Well, that's bubbling nice as well. Maybe you can show that to the camera. That looks so amazing. And the turmeric and the garlic. Everything smells amazing.
Perfect. So we've got that going.
Yep.
From here, let's add our green beans.
Perfect.
We're gonna add a splash of the apple juice.
Oh my gosh, if you could just smell how amazing it tastes. I like apple in my diet as well, and with savory dishes. It's not too sweet and it cuts out.
It's not too sweet.
It's so healthy though. It has an
right.
acidic acid in it that helps with your digestion. So great for digestion. Great if you're trying to, you know, detox your body, apples are my go-to.
Absolutely. So our quinoa, I choose red quinoa. I like the nutty flavor.
You are a little bit nutty once
I
in a while.
am sometimes.
That explains everything.
I think it's all the flax oil I take. And then our apples.
Good. So Alana, you have your own website page. You also are on Alligga's webpage, and our webpage has all of Alligga's amazing recipes that you've put together. If you want more information on Alana, certainly go to Alligga's website or ours for a ton of information and ideas for cooking healthy.
There we
Look
go.
at that. Holy
Just like
smokes.
that.
Go ahead and plate her. The smells, the nutty smells are so good,
The
Alana.
nutty smells, the curry smell.
Yeah, I
and
love
it's
it.
such pretty colors too.
There you go. Chef Alana Peckham, as always, you're the best.
Thank you.
Thanks for cooking for me all day today.
You're welcome.